How do you delete data that you're not using anymore or sanitize your data? Hi, I'm Alex, the architect from MacRep, and this is Talking to the Architect. And today we'll be answering Jesse's question. Jesse asked, I have an app that collects a lot of data. Can you show some implementation on how to delete old records, say older than 60 days? Hi, Jesse. Thank you so much for your question. And well, if you want to delete data in a regular basis doing this kind of sanitization, ideally you should create a cloud job and run it once in a while so it will look for those records and delete them. And to illustrate that, here I have a brand new app where I created a class named my class, and inside here I put 3 records in a row. And I'm going to code a cloud job that delete those records. Now notice I won't be using the 6-day rules, I'll be coding that but not executing because I just created these records. So if I use the 60 days rule, they won't be deleted. So first we're going to go to Cloud Code and Functions and Web Hosting and open our main.js file. And in here we're going to write our cloud job. We'll do that by typing parse.cloud.job, and the first parameter is the job's name, which we are going to call delete old data. This will take an async request that we're going to arrow function to our code, and inside here we're going to define the rules for this job. The first one is to get the current date, the date of the system right now, so we can subtract the 60 days that you want. We'll do that by typing const cutoff date equals new date. Now this variable now has the current time for my system, and I need to subtract 60 days according to your business rules. So we'll do that by typing cutoff date dot set date, and this will get the cutoff date dot get date minus 60 days. Now I'm going to comment out this line so it can work on my particular project because I don't have 60-day-old records. If you have, this should work for you, but I'm just going to comment this out so we can see the execution. And once we have the date set, we need to find the records that match this date. We're going to query the myClass class, looking for records where the creation date or created at match this new date. So const myClass equals parse.object.extend my class. Now I created an instance of my class and we're going to query on this instance. So const query equals new parse.query and then my class. Now we have to specify any records that has the created at date less than or cutoff date. So query dot less than, the property is created at, comma, and then our value, cutoff date. Now we have to find those records, so const results, or better, const old records equals, I'll wait because this is an asynchronous call, query dot find. This will retrieve all the records that match the created date that matches my new date. Remember, you have to uncomment this line in order for it to delete older than 60 days. Now I have an array containing all the records that I want to delete. And to do that, we can just do await, because this is also an asynchronous call, parse.object.delete destroy all, and pass in our old records. Comment it out and deploy. Now, if we go to our jobs, you see I have my delete old data in there. Remember, I'm going to delete all the records because I comment out the 60-day line. But if I just run this now, success, and if I go back to my database, in my class you won't find any records because all records matched the current date. It was less than current moment in the server. Now, if you uncomment the 60-day rule, it will work only for 6-day or older records. I really recommend when trying to do this kind of job that actually destroys data to test out in test classes prior to executing it on production environments, because once destroyed they cannot be restored back. So I really recommend that you clone your application to a new one, test it out, and once you get it working, publish it to production. So if you found this video helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so it can help us grow. I also share this link with a friend that they can learn something too. If you're already subscribed, thank you for that. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or any implementation you'd like to see, please leave it in the comment section down below. We always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful to you and hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.